welcome back to my channel. So today I am so excited to share with you guys the unboxing of some of our curriculum that we're going to be using next year in our homeschool. I've done previous unboxing videos and it's really exciting for my kids, which they're all back here. There's one you can't see. For them to get to see some of what they're going to be using next year. And I had these boxes arrive. I did open them just to verify that everything was in there because I needed to send confirmation back. But I have not looked through any of the materials. The kids have not seen them at all. So we are going to go ahead and unbox a big, huge portion of our curriculum. All that I'm really missing here is math, and that will be shared with you guys at a later day. But this all came from the Good and the Beautiful. They are who we are going with this year, and I'm really excited to share it with my kids and share it with you guys. So let's get started unboxing. I'm just gonna go ahead and start taking it out and handing it to the kiddo of who will be using it. So the first thing we have on here is the Language Arts Level 6 course book. That is obviously, I think, mine. So that'll just come down here. Next we have this packet like this. So it has the geography cards, a personal reader. This is level 5. And I think that this one is for you, Caleb. So you can open up the bag and then kind of look at what's inside there if you want to. I think that's yours. Maybe I'll need to have you hand that to your sister, but I think that's yours. The next one that we have right here is, let's see, this is volume 2. So I'm just gonna open it up. So it has the favorite classics, that's the reader 2. This is reader 1 right here. And then this is the level 3 course book. So this is for you. Me? Yeah, so you can look at it. Yay! You want to check it out? So those are what you'll be reading next year, some of what you'll be reading.
What's this for?
It says shared reader on the front, so I think that's something you and I are going to be reading together. Oh. And the next thing I have in my box are the Year 1 History Read Aloud Pack. So these 4 books go with history for Year 1, which is what we're starting with. So we have The Golden Goblet, The Door in the Wall, The American Twins of the Revolution, and Nori Ryan's Song. Haven't read any of those, so that's awesome. Level 1 is for this cutie right here. So they come again in these little packs. Let's see, we have her reader, sorry, my sock, her Language Arts Level 1 course book, and the mini books. So let me see this. These are books I'm going to have to like prepare in advance for her and then pull those out. So what do those look like? Word cards, right? So you're gonna get to learn to read all those words. Is that exciting? Okay, so that box is empty now, so let's get that out of the way. Now we have the second box. So this, what is this? Level 6 reader. That's you. Another pack of the geography and grammar cards. So excited about these. Here you go. Answer key, so I won't give her that. We're just gonna open up the box in here. Let's see what else we've got. Okay, so next in this box is the History Year 1 course book, which you guys, I'm gonna do a video showing you the inside of all this stuff, but this is just the unboxing. The big book of history stories. I briefly glanced at this because it was on top, but look at how amazing these illustrations are. So beautiful. So excited about that. Look guys, I think you're gonna really like this. This is the Keys of History game. It's a game we play with our history.
That's cool. That's fun.
Yeah.
This one has Native Americans in them.
Are you excited to learn about that?
It's like a story of what they would do.
Oh, this is awesome. Okay, so now we have science. So I am going to get these spiral bound, but we are going to do kingdoms and classifications for about 3 months. Then we're going to do arthropods, insects, spiders, and crustaceans.
Yay!
For about 3 months. Then we're going to do a little safety unit, which I thought was so cool. Just things that they should all know for 3 months. What else is in here? Oh, typing. So this is something new, guys. So we're gonna do typing, and you guys are gonna learn how to type on the computer just a little bit better. So I actually ordered typing 2 as well, but it's not released yet. But here is typing 1, so we're gonna be having that a part of our homeschool next year. And then these were things that I was so excited about. Oh, this is yours. This is your course book. I have the answer key, so that's yours. So that's gonna be like your spelling, your reading, your writing, all that stuff in one book.
Wow.
So pretty cool to have it all in one. And then this I know you guys are gonna really like. So creative writing notebooks. So I got 4 of these. So we're gonna do creative writing every single day.
What's that?
And I'll show you really quickly since he's asking. The inside, it gives us different scenes to describe it. Also rainbow words, colors. So it's like getting to make up your own stories.
That's cool.
So one for you, one for you, one for you, one for you. Isn't it cute?
Birds.
So lots of cool things to write about, different ideas in there. I thought you guys would like that.
Yeah.
And last but not least, we have handwriting down at the bottom. So I'm gonna just pull them all out. So the box is now empty. And so we have handwriting level 3, which starts, there's cursive in here. So this is for you, mister. Cursive.
Cursive, Landon.
And then handwriting level 4, right here. So this looks, it's got cursive in it again. He's learned cursive, but I wanted him to review it again.
Yay.
And handwriting level, oh wait, I passed out the wrong ones. Level 5 is for you. Level 4 is for you. Level 6 is for you. There you go, Liv.
Is mine cursive?
Does yours have cursive in it?
In cursive. Yeah, cursive.
You guys excited about all this
Yeah,
stuff?
yes.
What do you think? What do you think so far?
Cool. My favorite part is cursive.
Cursive, yes. I'm introducing cursive to her a little bit earlier than I have all the other ones. And I'm excited to see how that goes. So there, I'm just looking through it. Cute pictures, huh?
Awesome.
Now that we've unpacked everything, we've got it all spread out. So here's an overview of everything that was in that box. And like I said, if you guys want to see the insides of this, let me know and I'll try to get it done for you. But we've got all the history stuff here, and then the readers that go with the history. That's the science up there. This is all for my first grader here in this section, level 1. This section right here, level 5, is for my 5th grader. And then we have level 3 over here for my 4th grader. And then we have level 6 down here for my 6th grader. And we have our typing right here. And one thing I do want to mention really quickly about the good and the beautiful is that these levels do not necessarily correspond with the grade they're in. So you could have a 6th grader working on level 3. You could have a 6th grader working on level 5. It really just depends on your child. So again, here's the overview of everything we received from the good and the beautiful. I'm so excited to share it with you. And we are so excited to be using this in our homeschool for 2018-2019. If you guys enjoyed this unboxing, please give it a thumbs up and we will see you really soon.